Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solving the problem from the unit of Arithmetic Progression, exercise 5.3 in CBSE textbook and exercise 1.3 in Karnataka state textbook. It is main question 3 and sub question 6. The question is like this: given a equals 2, that is first term equals 2, d equals 8, common difference equals 8, Sn, sum of n terms, equals 90, find n and an. We need to find out the value of n as well as an. To solve this problem, we are using the method of factorization. So before using that method, we will convert the given things by considering the formula of Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Since we doesn't know what is the last term and we also doesn't know the value of n, we are using this formula Sn. Sn means we know that it is 90 equals n by 2 into a means 2 plus an as it is. Now I will transpose this n by 2 to the other side of the equals. So the denominator number goes to the numerator and numerator factor goes to the denominator. So I can write 2 plus an is equal to 90 into 2 goes for the numerator 2 and n goes for the denominator. 2 plus an equals 90 into 2 is 180 by n. Now I just need to find out what is the value of an. To find out that value, I am transposing 2 to the other side. So an equals 180 by n minus 2. So here there is no denominator, that is understood 1 is there. So I can take n as the LCM. First term is 180 by n into LCM n. N get cancels. I am going to refer with 180. Next is minus sign is there. Second term is 2 into LCM n. 2 into n, it is 2n. So we got the value of an as 180 minus 2n by n. Now, since they have asked us to find out an also, we will use the formula of an. What is that formula? That is an equals a plus of n minus 1 into d. An we doesn't know, we will write as it is. A means 2 plus n minus 1 as it is. D means we know that it is 8. An means we got the value of an as 180 minus 2n by n equals 2 as it is plus n into 8, 8n, minus 1 into 8 is minus 8. 180 minus 2n by n is equal to 8n as it is, minus 8 plus 2, change in sign, subtract, that is 8 minus 2 is 6, bigger number sign is minus, so it is minus 6. Here in the numerator we can take 180 and 2. The common factor between these two terms is 2 itself. 180 and 2 goes in the table of 2 ones. 2 9s are 18, 2 90s are 180, minus 2 1s are 2, into n, 2 into n is 2n by n. Here between 8 and 6, once again 8 and 6 goes in the same table of 2 ones. I am going to take 2 as the common factor. 2 4s are 8, 2 into 4n is 8n, minus 2 3s are 6. On the either side of the equals, 2 is present. On the same numerator, I am going to cancel. 2 1s are 2 1s are. So I can write it as 90 minus n by n is equal to 4n minus 3. Now I will transpose 90 minus n equals n into 4n, it is 4n square minus 3n. I hope that you are understanding here what I am taking. N into 4n, and when I transpose it, because for the numerator 4 into n is 4n square minus 3 into n is 3n. I will take everything to one side of the equals, so it can be written as 4n square minus 3n Here n is there. When I transpose minus n becomes plus n. Plus 90 becomes minus 90 equals 0. 4n square minus 3n plus n is minus 2n minus 90 equals 0. So 4 to 90. I can take once again 2 as the common factor. If I take out 2 as the common factor, 2 into 2 is 4 minus 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4 into n is 4n square. 2 into n is 2n minus 2 into 45 is 90. When I transpose this 2 to the other side, numerator goes to the denominator because the operation between these two is multiplication. So finally 0 by any number is 0. 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a factorization. Now we need to find the factors of the middle term. 2 into 45, we need to multiply the end two terms, that is 45 into 2 is 90 plus into minus minus. If we multiply two numbers, we need to get 90, and if we add the same two numbers, we need to get the coefficient of n, that is minus 1. 90 comes in the table of 9 ones, we know that 9 tens are 90. The difference between 10 and 9 is 1. So we need to get minus 1. Therefore, whenever we are getting the minus means we need to put bigger sign for the negative sign for the bigger number and positive sign for the smaller number. Plus into minus minus, 9 tens are 90. Minus 10 plus 9 is 10 minus 9 is 1. Bigger number sign is minus. So these are the two numbers. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. In first two terms, we need to take the common factor. In next two terms, we need to take the common factor. Here 2n is the common factor because n square and n is there. N is the common factor. In 2n square, if I take out 2n, what is left out? 1n is there. Minus n is already out. 2 into what we will be getting? 10. 2 5s are 10. Here 9 and 45 comes in the same table of 9 ones are, and n is present only in the first term, not in the second term. Therefore, we are not taking it out. 9 into n, 9n, plus into minus, minus, 9 5s are 45. So inside the bracket we are getting 9 minus 5, n minus 5. n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. Either n minus 5 should be equal to 0 or 2n minus plus 9 is equal to 0. n is equal to plus 5 here. Here if I transpose 2n is equal to minus 9, n is equal to minus 9 by 2, which is a fraction. We will not take this value of n. We are going to take only n equals 5 here. Now we found out the value of n. What is the value of n? It is 5. Now we will try to find out the value of an, where we have already substituted here. We know that an we have written it as 8n minus 6, because this value is nothing but which is equal to an. In place of n, what is the value? N is 5. A5 is equal to 8 into 5 minus 6. 8 5s are 40 minus 6. A5 is equal to 40 minus 6 is 34. So the value of A5 is 34. A little bit lengthy problem, but if you know the factorization well, we can solve this problem. We have taken Sn formula first, where we found out the value of an. Then we took an formula, we tried to find out the value of n, we got the value of n as 5. Then we substitute this value of n in the an formula itself, where an is equal to 8n minus 6, where we got the value of an as, or a5 as 34. I hope that you have understood. If you have liked the video, please give a like to the video. Share the video. If you are new to my channel, please do support by subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching the video.